maybe you should pull the fucking trigger.
Pull the trigger. Ain't nobody gonna do for you. Pull the trigger.
Cannabis. One big up Pinky party the same way. Another party there. And the first of April also. Harrison style. Wicked.
Big up yourself, let's stop it, man. And big up to the whole world, and big up to the roses, big up to the whole place. We don't have to do no bugger talking. Do you remember Big Money popping in the Waltham Stadium, right as the same way? You know what I mean? The 25th of February is going to be epic. So we don't know further delay. We go on stage right now for one and only. Not just saying.
Self-TV. I drop this. You have to do TV by yourself all night. On Friday TV. Yeah, TV, bro.
Hold on. Let me say happy birthday one more time to Freddie. That's your birthday king. Right here live right now on this TV. Come live on YouTube. When the girl I'm going to want to say, you know what with the rotten teeth and dirty tongue, say no.
Come pull up, self-TV, man, no price here. Get up on self-TV. Go feed the other people there. But, yo, that price over there. Don't give my spirit.
Hi, welcome to Cannabis Selfie TV. This is for the party right here in Mobile, Western Jamaica.
So we're going to talk about other things right here. You know, all of the girls that know say you're not hungry. That's some girls that pass through 15 man and still hungry. Every girl want pies in your bitch. Get out of ambition, you stink like. You have a fight on your shows. The girl that know say you're putting a big like here because we're starting on you there. Ready up, oh God! Get time! Whoa! They got a man who be a manicure, a pedicure, a two of them and look over there. Show me shoes them, show me the wood them, show me the wood them, show me the slippers them. People come to carry up man past road. All the good man is stepping on your road. Ready, get it close to your hand. Body to the hands up and down. Because the decent girl there, you come from ghetto but you're decent. And then that one on you. If a girl ever be lesbian, at least don't fuck a girl with have money. Come on and fuck some girl and the girl broke. You broke and the girl broke. Well, what kind of lesbian thing that? A lesbian thing that, you know, an ambition. On a lesbian ambition, no way. Yo, I kill a girl. So I'm going to play 2 songs for the girl that have their man, because some of the girls are lonely. At night time, I want to pin all the way up. Some of them dream, not daydream for the people that man. Pick up the girl that have them baby father. I'm going to go on the way you want them to see with you. Yeah. From him breed, you are yours. Right now, man. Yeah. Fluffy. Where's that? In your bed, I'm going to float by you about Africa. Float this. Play some song for the girl that know you have it like that. You can't like that, girl. Every girl, take out your cell phone. Take out your cell phone. All the angel girls them. Some girl are devil. When you get with chrome skin there, even if you have bleaching chrome. No. Yes. Expect for breed and bring back some people. And watch them. So when owner dead, who are live here? And from when there's some girl that about home, when baby are gone, you stink like your mama should have come and say, I'll kill your ass for us. You think they're on the planet for that one, you're not contribute. So how you get here? If your mother never did think for bring you, how you get here? Listen to me, when the dance are done, you go run some front, yeah? Self-TV, do yourself. When the girl man was here, man check for you. I check for him. Come! Hey! Hey! music for the girl. Come on, we get down some business.
On the party, man.
Big up Sappy TV.
And so with them, don't tell one of them. Don't tell one of them, yeah? And don't fuck around the chicken there, don't make sure I go up there. Now the way they're going with the crumble back at him. What to shoot the girl now, land God? Hold on, what can roll out? Fucking sexy. Ready? Everybody still on. Watch out, you want it, roll it, land God, roll it. Let's go, good roll, yeah. What's the one that boom flick and roll over an road? Let's suppose your man there one little TV, one road. You don't mash up the man furniture and the figure reading. Hey, girl, man, I see you. You have a then. No. Like that, that girl get man road there. All silver fox roll out. Girl, you're not ready to run. No, climb up, girl. Climb up. Whoa.
Your Starface, when you come in that Batman bedroom, it's like you come in that workplace.
Yo, what you got to say? Hey, girl! Then I run off in more, but oh, I take my matter around the card box. I'm going to go to him and say, on the phone, he said, I'm up on a flight. When we reach Jamaica, make sure my record box there, and I say, matter around, I want to you. Here I'm going to get like that. The boy I play my dog play, roll one soul. That's what the truth is. I call him back when we reach Jamaica, you know. I run, I'm mad at you, I'm there, you know. I'm going to say, Miss Spear, well, boy, I'm going to keep the phone and say, mother, come and say hi. And the mother say, what? I never know you're two of your friend. I'm going to say, big up the movie. I'm going to drive out of here and say, hear me, don't be bad. Make sure the record reach me. I'm still a blood clot here, but make sure the record reach. How we back? We're back! What are we some boy black the girl and then a bar, but we never mean it. Where's the diamond? Yeah! I have some money, if you never have money, you won't get certain young. Real talk. From school years, we are getting young. You know, sometimes I feel that the police system at Jamaica, they're not using enough intelligence. I want to have alkaline for murder. Murder the thing there, I see him about murder. Joke this. And that's what we understand. None of these artists they sing about things that other people do. You have to understand them things there. They sing about cancer. Yeah, I mean, he said, I let someone bring them on the shoulder. And enough of them artists said, none of them never in a real shootout. A crazy time in a shootout. Ask anybody. I told them that this from 90. When Multikiller come to New York, 1992. You know what I'm saying? Told them mentally ill to kill. And that nickname is because of a shootout with a Brownsville. I beat it. I went, I can't beat it. No more, I beat it. I'm not running, I beat it. They have blood clot. Lord! So here one. Big up to all of the people who know say that here it's about wicked. And every year talk get wicked and wicked, and I never try force if you don't get no money and try to stop you from making money. So all who not deal with no money, you don't know where you're there with. Final one! Next time we preach ambition to the people, no! Tell them! Hey! Progress! I just protect from God. We don't want celebrities like that. We don't do that. We don't do that. Crazy Chris, large. Cannabis. Self-forgive. Voila. And I'm going to bring over to the pastor and sermon. Self-TV, I'm joking, so you have to do TV by yourself all night. On Friday TV.
It's only matter around, big up yourself. Let me say happy very strong one more time to Freddie. That's your birthday king. I'm going to do live right now on this TV. Come live on YouTube. When the girl I'm going to want to say, you know what with the rotten teeth and dirty tongue, say no.
Alright, Selfie TV, everything fully up right now. So Freddie, tell me, how was the party? How was the energy for your birthday? Alright. Much. So what's the next plan for next year?
For next year, we do an next top selector. Yeah.
Alongside Real. Now go there?
Book.